Hello, today I'm going to run you through a brief tutorial of how to use conditional formatting within Google Sheets. First off, what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting lets you apply specific criteria in order to change the look of a particular cell. So, how can that be used? Well, we're going to answer that today with these 4 questions. So, on the left, we've got weight, shape, color, and cost, each with different values, some numbers and some text-based. Using these 4 columns, we're going to answer which objects are greater than 0.5 kilograms, and we're going to change that color to green. We will make all shapes that are cubes yellow and make that cell bold, and all objects that are red will be red and italicized. And lastly, anything that costs above $50, we'll mark it as red and apply a strike through. So let's begin. In order to apply conditional formatting, you want to select either the cells or the column where you want to apply the formula. You will then go to Format. You'll scroll down to Conditional Formatting. And then we'll be able to do the following. So in this case, I'm just going to shrink my window. And we will go and then select if cell is greater than, and in this case we said 0.5. And we want it green, so once we select, we could see it's updated, so everything above 0.5 is now green. We'll click Done, and then that's step 1. Next, let's answer number 2. We want all cubes in yellow and to make them bold. To do this, we can either go back to Format, Conditional Formatting, or since we've already opened that up, we can just click on Add Another Rule. Here, as you can see, it defaults by saying if cell's not empty, but we'll then switch that to text contains, since we're dealing with text, and we'll type in cube, which is the value within this variable. So once we've selected cube, we are going to change the color to yellow. And if you want to apply the bold element, you could just click on it right here. And as you can see, cubes are now bold. Next, we want to select column C and change, using that same formula, all reds to red. So we'll do text contains, we're going to say red. We will select a red color, which let's do light red too. Whoops, wrong one. But still, we'll actually leave it, might be helpful. So here you can see we've made it red, and then we also need to italicize it. Then lastly, we want to apply any cost above $50 as red with a strike through. So here we'll select our column D, we'll click Done, the other one. We will create a new rule saying if is greater than, we will add in our value of $50. Then we'll select a nice bright red, and we can add the strike through. So using these conditional formatting formulas, it makes it a lot easier to visualize your data. It could be used in various different ways. It really helps if you want to show, let's say, profit versus losses. You could highlight certain colors as red versus green. And using conditional formatting, you get a lot more flexibility or visual cues to provide to your stakeholders when providing a deliverable. They're super useful, and they're very easy to do, as you could see. If you have any questions, feel free to add it in the comments, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.